Most of us do make use of the mixer grinder for uh, grinding the masalas and gravies. So what do you all do when the blade of the mixer or the grinder turns out dull? It is not sharp anymore. Do you just discard off the mixer grinder and buy a new one, or you all have certain technique for it? Well, I have got something which I would like to share with you. I'm trying it for the first time, so stay with me. Let me know what do you all have to say about this thing that I am going to show you. So this is my mixer for the masala, and I'm just checking the blade. It's not really that sharp. It's turned dull in use of time. So what I'll do is I'm going to add this fine salt in it. It's the table salt. I'll just add table salt first because I want to see the difference as well as show you all what is the difference. So this is the fine salt, and just cover it up and put the grinder on, so we will know what exactly is the result once this thing is grinded. So there it's grinding, as you can see the swirl around the grinder. And please, y'all cannot use sugar instead of salt because it's going to stick around, so make use of salt. See, the salt has become nice and fine, I guess, by now. So once you're done with this, you'll see it in a very powder form, very powder like. What I'll do is, in the blade, it's not yet that sharp. Here I have taken now kosher thin salt. I didn't want to waste time showing you that. So I'm taking the kosher salt, or you can even use of the flake salt, and then I'm just going to give it a grind, and as you can see it's grinding. And the blade was not actually that sharp using the fine salt. Now I will see after using the fat one, the kosher salt, how is it going to be. So the looks thin, okay, and yes, the blade feels good. So friends, I don't know if this hack is going to come in use for y'all, but definitely for me it is going to be useful because I have tried it for the first time and I am really in love with it. So for those of y'all who have complaints of their grinder mixer blades getting dull in time, so make use of this hack, and then do certainly share it with your friends and let me know what do you have to say about it. And for those of you all who would like to share different kind of things that you all use in daily life to manage, to make things easier for you all, different hacks that you all make use of, do share it with us in the comment section or send us an email, and we'll ensure to show this hack what you have suggested again and mention your name against the hack. So please do not forget, if my hacks come in use for you all, do share it with your friends. You never know when you would be helping someone else. And for those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget and click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that you see besides it. I'll see you in another episode of How.